4 key things I had to understand when starting an affiliate marketing business. Hi, it's Del from Future You Success here, and I want to catch up again on the series on affiliate marketing on 4 key things that you need to understand when you're building your business. Now, I say business, you might be looking at all types of online opportunities out there. Affiliate marketing, obviously, dropshipping, SMMA, agencies, copywriting, whatever it might be. I would recommend affiliate marketing as a starter business, and I'll put some links to some other videos I've done on the subject for my reasons why, as well as some articles that you can have a look at at your leisure on it. But the 4 key things that you really need to touch on that successful affiliate marketers do when they particularly start is, number 1, choose the niche that you're interested in and have knowledge about. Starting with an affiliate program on a single point only. Learn the basics and time. Now, going over those, choose a niche that you're interested in or subject matter that you have some experience with. This is so important. My background and my hobbies are completely different to what I originally started writing with. I started writing about computers and computer programming. With all honesty, I don't know anything about that. As such, I had no real interest. Everything became a struggle because I just didn't have my heart in it. So my key tip to you is find something that's going to keep you going when the going gets tough and the journey gets a little bit sticky. And it will at times. After all, you're going to be running a business. When you know about certain subjects and you've got some knowledge, you're able to impart that and explain it, teach it if you like, and tell others with more passion behind it. And you will succeed by doing that. The second one is, when you've finally worked out what it is you're going to have as your subject matter that you're going to promote products or services within as an affiliate, pick one platform to start with. And I say that because, again, I spread myself too thin by joining all manner of different platforms, different opportunities that are out there. And now you might have others who will say to you, oh yes, but you can, look at lots of different alternatives for products. Yes, that might be the case, but I found that you're going to need to really focus your efforts, particularly if you're building something part-time. And by focusing on one key platform, it will give you a chance to learn the basics, learn everything you can, how really it works, almost like a test bed. Which leads us on to point 3, and that is learning the basics. It's a new business, it's probably a new business concept to you. It was to me when I started. So the more that you can learn the basics around, particularly in your first 3 months, the more you're going to get a solid platform to boost yourself forward on. And then that brings me to the next point. I've mentioned a little bit about time. Rome wasn't built in a day. And it's the same with anything that's worth building. And your business, your affiliate marketing business, is going to take some time to actually get moving. If you get offered any program, any system that within 30 days can turn you into a Lamborghini driving, Rolex wearing, whatever, walk away. Because I can assure you for now that nothing that's worthwhile will be built in 24 hours. So you're going to need to make some mistakes. You're going to need to learn the basics, and you're going to need to get your systems running and working that you can understand. Okay. I hope some of those little pointers just help keep you on the right track. I'll put some, as I say, links in the bottom of the description there. Let me know in the comments also how things are going for you. If you have any questions, I will come back to you. And just want to wish you best of luck with your opportunity, and catch you soon.